All right, where is the chat? So I tried to launch a live stream from OBS this time, and now I have no idea how to get into the. Give me a moment. Where's the studio? Oh my, okay, hold on. Oh, here we go. Hold on. I think I figured it out. Okay, so if I click on go live, it will. There we go. All right. I see the chat. What's up, chat? All right. Happy Monday. Let's do a thing. Mentorship Monday. So those of you guys who are new, make sure you have started your 2-week free trial, download it and get rolling with it. And of course, our Discord trade room is one of the few online that is still 100% free. Come hang out with me and the crew. All right. My name is Vinny Emini. If this is your first time with us, you have been missing out. Tonight, we are going to go over the homework. We're going to cover a few things that you need to adjust in your charts. Let's go through the things you need to adjust in your charts first. So if you are in a trader funding program, particularly, go into your indicators, right click, whoops, not strategies, right click, go to indicators. You need to remove, number one, position details. Position details, remove it out of the list off of your charts. If you are having any slowness or lag, let's pull that one off of your charts, number one. Number two, make sure on your lowest time frames, this should not apply to the highest time frames. I don't believe we have that issue, but go into your data series on your lowest time frame chart and make sure that all of your charts, it is set to price based on last. There was one template that had this set to ask. It cannot be on ask. Please make sure if you see anybody with that, make sure you change that. That will drastically impact your enigmas as well as your Flowmaster events. Very important that you have that set to last. This one, not ask. Okay. That is in some of your templates. Make sure you change that. Get some of this housekeeping out of the way. The sets of data. Okay. During the week, make sure you set this to 1 day on the lowest time frames. Now, not the highest time frames, but 1 day of data for your lowest time frames. On Sunday, you put it to 3. So if you've got your templates coming out of the box on the installation, they are set to 3, assuming that a lot of people will come in on the weekends as they do. And we've got that set to 3 days. So on Sunday, this is correct because you want Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So you'll need to have 3 days of data. Otherwise, you'll have empty charts coming in at the beginning of the week. But after that, rest of the days of the week, this should be set to 1 day. I wanted to get that out of the way because a lot of people have been asking about that, and that will speed up your system. So it's another housekeeping item. And I think we've got 2 more here on the list. Oh yes, some people are asking about my current workspace that I'm using in the live broadcast. If you would like to use mine, again, I really don't recommend that you use the three that I've got set up here. Again, I do have other charts, as you can see there on the tabs. But if you want my layout, I do have that now posted on the left-hand side of Discord under Community Workspaces, and I've got it labeled there with my most recent one with the date for today. Now, the reason I say I don't recommend you doing that is because I will tell you there are things that I miss. Personally, I am missing the SMLK lines. I would love to have those on my charts. Also, the harmonics. Would love to have the harmonics on there, and the dots. I have removed 3 primaries of those because it overwhelms newbies who are coming in, and I'm trying to demonstrate our system for some of the new folks, and we get that feedback that it's a little bit too overwhelming for people. So I have removed some things showing that even without it, what is AlgoBox turned on subscriber only mode? What? Only. I did not do that. Curtis, or did someone else set that to subscriber only mode? Okay. I don't know. We'll try it. Yeah, make sure you are subscribed. If I guess, does that mean they can't chat if they're not subscribed? Oh, that's cool. How cool. Yeah, have them turn it on. Great idea. Who had that great idea? Was that you, Curtis? Eddie? One of you guys. All right. Now it just turned off. No, turn it back on. I think it's a good idea. Subscriber only mode. I did not do that, just in case anybody's wondering. One of our awesome staff members did that for us. I am perfectly fine with trying out new stuff. I mean, we probably should. But okay, so get back to the items on the list here. I have uploaded that workspace, but again, I am missing harmonics, SMLK lines, fib dots. So I can't do HMDs. I can't do PRZ crosses. I do have the crosses though. So double cross, double moves on the game, but I am showing that even without it, you can do quite well on some of those. But it is, you know, demonstrating this out here publicly. I'm not showing all the tools and all of their glory. So just be careful of that. So I would add, if you are using my workspace, then add these things. This would be my suggestion. Okay, add the harmonics, add the fibella dot, and the SMLK timing lines. Okay, do yourself that favor. Is there another one? No, I think that's it. Oh, perhaps you might want the auto levels, but yeah, at least those 3: harmonics, fibella dot, SMLK. There we go. Housekeeping out of the way. Let's talk about the homework from the weekend. If you have not been paying attention to the Delta flagging down below, you are definitely missing out. Now, on a marching day like today, where the market's just marching up in an upward direction at a 45-degree angle for the last half of the day, that is not going to help you as much because there's no traps in there. Like, the market just goes on a run like this. Let's talk about the difference that came in today. Remember, today is the beginning of the month, first day of the trading month. Today is the 2nd of October. However, it is it's the first trading day of the month, so you're going to have a lot of volatility coming in, particularly just, you know, straight marching orders today. They were needing to fill the orders there from 401ks and IRAs that are pouring into the markets at the beginning of the month. We have another day like that. When is it? Pop quiz around the 15th, right? Let me pull up where'd that calendar go. So around the 1st and 15th. So we're going to have another, you know, type of day like this with a lot of activity coming in around the 16th and 17th of this month as well. So again, take notes of those at the beginning of the month. Those are some tricky days you want to pay attention to. Okay, so let's go through some of those homework items. If you did not jump in on that homework, definitely check that out. We're going to get I think we were going to do 10, but I think I'm going to do 20. We're going to do 20 beanie caps and hats going out to you guys who participated in the homework. We will pick those out and we'll get your addresses and we'll send those out to you. Again, if you're comfortable giving your address, because we obviously have to ship you something. If you want the, let me show you guys what those are. Some people don't know about this site. Pull it up over here. like to pick up your own AlgoBox gear, go to algoboxgear.com. We make not a dime off of this, but one of our members has been so kind as to create all this fun stuff for you. There's mouse pads and all that kind of stuff. So if you're wondering about the beanie caps, I'm going to hook you guys up with. I think these are awesome. I got them myself. And I don't even look good in beanies, but I look good in this beanie. I don't know what's up. It's awesome. So get you guys hooked up with that. This one for the ladies. And yeah, we got some AlgoBox hats or the beanie cap. So I'm going to hook you up. You get to choose. You did your homework this weekend. We'll get you hooked up. All right. It's going to get out some of that gear for you guys. Very cool stuff. So sorry, I know I'm sidetracking. Let's get to the homework. Left-hand side, I'm going to go into the homework room. Weekend homework. Let's go in here and see what everybody's got. So Friday's live stream, we did a $10,000 day on Friday. Windfall day. What happens after a windfall? What should I have been paying attention to from a windfall day on Friday? What do I know about Monday, the next trading day? What should I be cautious of after a big windfall day? What do I owe the market? If you've been through our training, you've heard me talk about this. Or if you haven't, type !windfall in the room and that will open up that lesson for you about a windfall day. Yes, be very cautious, right? I owe the market what? Who said double? Yes, somebody said 2x. That's right. You need to go into the market expecting that you owe the market's going to come back and she's going to want it. And mentally, it is more of a mental game than anything, although it just happened to be that today was a big mover day for myself. Got caught in a middle finger play. I should probably spend a whole separate session on that middle finger scenario. You guys don't know what that is. When the market does one of these numbers, straight up, straight down, where this is like no turns, no pivots anywhere for massive amounts of ticks. Like very rare this occurs. But I call it the middle finger because you could stick a big middle finger in it and you can kind of figure out where that goes. Yeah, you get caught in one of those. And if you are trying to do any kind of trade mitigation, this is a bad day. So I won't talk about that too much here tonight. We'll do a whole separate section on that. We've covered that in the past. So I want to focus in on the homework. These traps are amazing. Identifying a trap. How many times have you seen like this play right here? So market's coming down. Looks like, all right, yeah, I want to get short right here. But what you start to notice is, that delta's going the wrong direction. Go measure it. You did a good job drawing the level this direction. So what do we expect? This could be a trap. Boom. Nice little trap move. Not a big one. Not a big one, but watch how many times you see the really big ones. This move now, really convincing move down. Super convincing. You're like, oh, here it goes. Oh, it's going to go. And then can you see how you could tell? Right there, we start to move up. This one to this one right here. Deltas don't coincide. Boom, trap. Big move up. Keeps you out of bad plays. I don't want to say bad plays. Keeps you out of the very tempting plays. Very tempting to take in a play on that. I know all of us have got caught in plays like this. And what we found is if you are paying attention to this delta flagging, keeping an eye down here, you are going to find some really sweet traps. Let's go through a lot of these. I know a lot of you guys participate in this, so awesome stuff. Let's take a peek at another. Look at that. Delta moving upwards. Big move down, but this is moving up, right? So you're looking for a trap move. Boom, got a green dot. Boom, take the play. This thing goes up and up. Huge plays off of the trap. He saw it here as well. Let's look for, how about up top up here? Same thing. Other side, moving down, trap. Boom, move down. Delta's moving up. Boom, trap. Boom, moved up. Very nice. Oh, this is a beauty. So you see the moves coming in, but as it's coming down, what do you start to see? You start to see those deltas moving up. Boom. We get enigmas. This is the ideal right here. Get an enigma for the entry. These are amazing. Excellent. Excellent stuff right there. Love seeing it. Let's see. Here's Baus. All right. He's got top side. He's got bottom side. Now, again, I'm not going over all the details here tonight. You guys go back and watch Friday's live stream. Friday was, date for you, the 29th. September 29th, 2023, live stream. Went through all the nitty gritty, big time details. It's not just one sided. You really want to wait until you get the second side for the entry. But people were coming in here labeling these up. So that's good. Make sure you're doing your homework properly, though. You need to get both sides. So this one down, but not really. So whoever labeled this one didn't quite get that one. That's okay. This one, these are way too far apart. Okay, this doesn't count. I mean, I see it. It's not bad, but just be very careful. I mean, that one worked out like a charm, but I think that's just the power of the moonshot coming in there on that one, being honest. But I see what you did there. I see the downward move. I see another down. You know what? I give this credit. I think I'm going to give it credit after I'm looking at it and like, no, okay. No, he's got it going on there. That's pretty good. But I think this one came all the way here. So, all right, let's look at the next one. Okay, rather than a trap, looks like he's got his continuation. So he's seeing the move down. He's also, no, not a trap. Okay. Yeah, again, this is why you need to do homework. Some of these are not accurate. Okay. Not. Yeah, Baus, go back and watch the video over the weekend. I would definitely recommend you go watch that video one more time. I appreciate your work though. We'll still get you a hoodie. I mean, not a hoodie, a beanie cap there.
Double delta sell NQ on the 3.
Michael Bone, what is this? Michael Bone, you're getting no beanie cap. There's no beanie cap for you. I have no idea. You didn't pay attention, not doing the homework. All right, I should have checked these before I came out here. All right, what do we got here? Flow Master Alpha Mega added on Enigma. Closed on opposing signal. Also didn't pay attention to the homework. Okay. Thank you for participating. Okay, I see the delta flagging, but yes, the exercise. Yeah, go pay attention to the video and yeah. All right, 22 sets. Let's see. This is a straight run. Yeah, so I was telling you, like, these are. Be careful. This is. No, I need to help. I need to help you guys out. We're gonna have to do some examples with these. These are. Yeah, we're gonna need some help with this. Okay, so we've got. Yep, as we're coming down, very good. And you're getting the move up. Yes, and yes, yes, yes. Here we go. Daniel, great job. All right, Daniel did it right there. So you guys go check out Daniel's homework on that. That's exactly the type of trap setup that we're looking for. The first one, I think he was just saying that they all correlate and they're all moving up to that upward direction. So yes, that could keep you in the run move. I got you. Yes, you can use it for that as well. The assignment here was mainly to help you to avoid traps. You should be able to, if you're paying attention here and you learn what I try to teach you in that Friday lesson, you're going to be able to avoid those traps and catch some really big plays in the opposite directions on those. Okay. Yes. Beautiful. So on this one, exactly. You're very tempted. You got the down move. Very excited to get into that short play. You're like, oh, okay, want to be looking for a short. Oh, it's going to get some continuation. Red flag. Yoink. Don't think so. Boom. Right there on the greens. You can add on that position. And up and away she goes. Very nice. Very nice. I'd prefer some better labeling here, I'll be honest, but I see you did a lot here. You came back and you looked for some more. All right, let's see if we can catch this trap here. So this trap with the Enigma pretty much called that one on its own. However, let's see what we got. So right in front of it, we've got diminishing buyers. We've got diminishing sellers. Yeah, I can see that. Yep, good play. Let's see, you've got your labels. That one's it's got some skippiness in there. You got to skip that one. I think you're just labeling this one, but you're not getting plays off of that. No. Yeah, that one doesn't have a match, but yeah, I mean, it looks like a nice trap up here, but those were increasing. So yeah, not this one wouldn't play. All right, you need to see that going the other way. So again, I think this is a little bit tricky. It's why I told you guys you need to do your homework. I think that you guys will watch a video of mine. You're like, oh yeah, I got it. I don't think so. I don't think you guys get it. You need to go back and do your homework. Go watch the video again. If you struggle with it, you don't see it. It is very powerful. Huge opportunities if you know what we're talking about. Catching you should be keeping you out of some very bad positions, as well as getting great trade opportunities. Let's see. So down move and up arrow. No, I would be careful on that one. This looks like a continuation. Yeah, I'm telling you, this is not as easy as it seems from the video. Like, you'll see it when it's clear. It is clear as a bell. So it's a move down. Those are up. And then you have, yes, and then you have two right here, but I'm not sure. Oh, then he's going into the Enigma long. Okay, a little bit too far apart there. But we're looking for the trap plays of keeping you out of continuation moves from down here. Yeah, I should have checked these. I should have checked these homeworks before I came out here.
NQ on the 9.
Thought you guys would do a good job. Supposed to have two on top, so there's only one there. Nope. Man, I don't think I'm a very good teacher. I'm starting to question my own ability to teach. Let's see. I am not sure what I'm looking at here. Some trades. Was that to correlate with these, perhaps? Oh, maybe that's what he means here. I'm really trying hard. Okay. Look, yeah, I mean, we need to label these a bit better, I think. All right. So we're going to be, well, we're only going to be able to give out a number of these anyways. But yeah, if we did it, let me see anybody labeled? Anybody actually labeled? Here we go. Here's a labeler. All right. Yes. Got the upside. Okay, we got two sides. Good. So what does this tell us? Yes. Very good. Both upsides, stalking longs, precisely. Very good. Great job, Quintix. Definitely sending you a beanie cap, sir. Or if you want a hat, let me know. The beanies are pretty cool, though. What is this? Dan Roman, you're getting nothing. I'm just gonna have to be harsh, like, for your own good. I'm just, you guys, you got to get the homework. Get the homework. This is double delta. Okay, you guys, like, did y'all think that yeah, he said double delta. Did you think the homework was just double delta? It's not. Double delta video is very simple, straightforward. We are talking about trying to show you guys what I showed on Friday. That was the whole point. I was going to see who got the Friday stuff. Live stream last Friday. I was wondering, does anyone have no focus on the Delta process for the last session? Not sure what he's asking there. Okay, let's see. I don't see a two side on this. Don't see, yeah, kind of a two side, but it's not. So I don't think some people got the homework. I'm just being honest. Just being honest. All right, CL. Crude oil, September 20th. Apologies on 4K monitors. I found this quite interesting on the fives. Green deltas get shorter and red deltas go lower. Once price ejects out of an obvious accumulation zone, it's not a proper DCDM, but if we measure it, I don't even know. Like, you guys did something. I just don't know if we did the homework assignment. Purple crown looks like a J hook. Okay, so I don't know. Maybe people were just dropping homework in here that I don't know. I'm gonna have to be more specific in my homework assignments with you guys. Some of you do not think you guys. What is this? What? It's a huge green delta. Vinny calls this a flush. Yes. Oh, so he's answering somebody's question. I think somebody was answering a question. It's not specifically what Vinny was covering. It is something I've been looking at. Okay. Well, hey, at least you admit that this was not what I was covering. Yes. Precisely. Okay, let's see. I think I'm understanding Vinny's logic on the delta as explained in this Friday's live stream. Of course, open any corrections or insights. All right, so Foster is trying to do the assignment. Let's see what we got here. Yes, diminishing. Yes, so now all you need is up. Oh, and these are also increasing. Yes, so we look for the trap and we take it long. Yes, yes, let's hear it for Foster. Foster, you're getting a beanie cap. Well done, sir. All right, there's one. Let's see if you got some others here. All right, and yes, diminishing. Yes, we're going up and up and up and up. So right around here, we want to look for the reversal. We need the big greens to come in. There we go. And you've got, yes, exactly. Exactly. Yes, you need to see them diminishing. They need to be very clear. It needs to be absolutely clear that they're diminishing. Well done. Yeah, saw a new channel, wanted to fill it up. Yeah, let me throw some homework in there. Yeah, I did some homework. And let's check this one out here. Oh, is this part of the same play? Yes. Oh, and he's just showing his continuation on that full play there. Well done. All right, what's this one? Fill targets on a J hook, close out everything, new positions, and okay. Yep. And let's see here. Okay, Plutonium says it's a trap. Very good. Yes, look at those. Very diminishing. Yes. Now, on the other side, we didn't quite get two here. So what we usually want to see is we get, it does need to be a left side, right side for us to really take this play. Now, not that it won't work. Obviously, this one worked. Okay. Get very clear diminishings. You got the green. Sure. Worth a shot. Take it. The ones that are easier for us to see are when you need two right next to each other, even closer. Because if you're entering in way over here, I mean, yeah, part of the move is already kind of over. However, you get a double enigma right there. If you've already seen this occurring and you're already looking for the long because you've already been, had it identified from down here, that double enigma is way easier to take now, right? So totally get that. But what we want to see in this assignment is, I call it left side, right side, right? You want a diminishing of one on one side and the increase on the other, where we get that delta shift, and we'll show you that trap. Okay. All right, so we've got them coming down from the green. Okay, and now I want to see them increasing on the red. Yes, yes. So right about here, as these are coming down, right here, she should be able to draw the next red, anything here, any play. Now this one didn't have a play set up that came in right here, but any play right here, you want to take that short. So you could take the alpha omega continuation, write it down. Very nice. Increasing reds, continuing to increase. Very nice. Yes. On the up move, were they going up? No, they were diminishing, right? So this is a trap. That's what you want to see right there. Good job. Way to go, Barry. Still like Barry's layout. Have you guys seen Barry's layout? Ask Barry to send you a picture of his layout. It's very cool. Very good layout. All right, let's see. So we got the up move. Now let's go on with it. So you got to be careful. Want to look for that continuation off of this one. What we usually want to see on this, on a trap, okay, this is not it. This, if the market is moving up and this is moving up, that's not what we want, okay? That would mean we're looking for continuation. Yeah. In fact, this would be, we would want to take this long, okay? Be careful. Go back and watch that. What I'm looking for then at this point is we're looking for something continuing to tell us that we are moving to the upside, okay? So we're moving up. The question is this true or is it a trap? It's the two T's. Is it a true move? We can continue up, basically looking for a pullback, or are we going to be trapping? Okay. So it's not a trap because these are going with it. Okay. So any pullback in here, I would want to take to the long side. Now, I don't know what the after of this is, but that's what I would be wanting to do on a play like that one, because that's what the Delta was telling you. That's what I'm trying to teach you to read. And again, this is a difficult task. That's why I said, look, take the time, go study it. Hey, what's up, Greg? Great to see you, sir. All right, Todd Hutch said too easy. All right, what's he got here? He's pointing here. And yes, okay, yeah, very thin line. He does have it though. Yes, see that's going down. This is going up precisely. Then, boom, we get the increase as soon as it crosses that line. Looking for the short continuation. Next play, boom, there's your enigma. Excellent. Excellent work. Yes, watch those diminishing or increasing deltas and see if they are diverging or they are going with that current trend. Swatch said, just some thinking out loud as I've been pondering and poring over the charts. He's pondering some things. What's he pondering here? Diminishing. Okay. Increasing. Yes. So we're looking for shorts at this time, right? So next red we would take. Yes. Boom. Take the red. Yes. Just enough to get to target 2. Yeah. A little bit tricky on that one. Again, they really work the best for traps, keeping you out of traps. Let's see, this one definitely increasing. You can clearly see the increasing, right? So we would want to be taking the next short, right? Where's the next short? This one was a butterfly. You'd want something else combined with that. Ideally, you would want an enigma here or a PRZ cross. Fabella dot right here would be awesome, right? To take it down, exit on the bat HMD right there, right? Okay. So I did need to cut this one short here tonight. I've got some dinner plans this evening, but yeah, I'm going to go through some more of these homeworks, see if any of these I should have gone through. I really thought that, well, I'll just be honest. I'm surprised. Okay. We will, we'll reconvene, but make sure you go to that Friday video, watch those. There were some great plays in there, great avoidances of continuations, great trap entries. And let's see, another question here. Someone had said, so it'd be possible to code a divergence into the delta flagging, and you did ultimate OBS using large delta flags. Yes, John, it's a great idea. Why don't you put that into the wish list section over there? And yeah, I was actually thinking that the other night of like an audio for that would be potential trap or look out for the trap kind of thing. Trap on the 2s, trap on the 3s type of thing. Yes, precisely. Or divergence. Yeah, we'll think through. Then again, you can always have it say whatever you want, but yeah, good idea there. Let me see if I missed any other questions. Last call for questions. Drop a question in the chat. Let's see. All right, cool. Well, we're going to make this one short tonight. Just had some items that we needed to chat with on the housekeeping. So make sure you change your charts, grab my live stream setup and layout if you like the layout. And don't forget to add a few of those items we talked about at the beginning. And please, you guys, go back and redo the homework. Watch Friday's live stream. I really walked through some, I wouldn't say great examples. They were live examples in the same place, and they were great at the same time. Make sure you understand what I'm trying to teach you in that. I think you're going to get a lot out of it. I had some other people who did today, and they sent in, I saw some big numbers in the chat earlier today, hitting those from the Friday training. So good stuff. I will catch you guys in the next one. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis, G, and the rest of the gang, I am sending out the Big H Town. See ya.